Looking for a Breckenridge retreat? This fully furnished mountain home is move-in ready and built for adventure. Today I'm taking you on a tour of a fully furnished mountain retreat that offers nearly 4,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and an incredible location, just 10 minutes from skiing and 5 minutes from Quandary Peak, which is one of Colorado's most iconic 14ers. If you've been dreaming of a Breckenridge getaway or second home, you won't want to miss this one. If you've been dreaming about a mountain home where you can ski, hike, and just relax, this one might check all of your boxes. Inside this home, the main level feels warm and welcoming. The family room has floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, new patio doors, and it opens right outside to your Trek's deck. So it's a perfect place for your morning coffee or après ski. The kitchen has stainless appliances, a big island with bar seating, and it flows right into the dining room area. Off to the side, there's also a flex space which could be used as a music room, a meditation nook, or just a quiet reading corner. The primary suite is really nice as well. It has a jetted soaking tub, double vanities, and the tile is all brand new in the shower. In fact, every bathroom in this house has been updated with new tile and fixtures. Now, the lower level is where things get really fun. There's a huge flex space and entertainment space. Right now it's set up with a pool table, air hockey, and even a basketball rebounder. But it could easily be a theater room, home gym, or office. And if you ever need more bedrooms, there's space to finish out 2 additional ones down on this level. There's also a bunk room, which has extra sleeping space, of course, and a newly done bathroom is just around the corner. One of my favorite parts in this home is the storage. There's a dedicated storage room that's actually bigger than a one-car garage, so you have plenty of room for basically all of your adventure toys. And don't forget the outdoor spaces. The upper deck is great for grilling or dining al fresco, and the lower deck has lounge seating where you can just soak up the mountain views. What makes this place extra easy is that it's being sold fully furnished. Bedrooms, kitchen, outdoor furniture, it's all here. It's been lovingly maintained, never rented, and is truly move-in ready. Whether you're thinking a full-time home, a mountain getaway, or just a place for friends and family to gather, 513 Rena Rd is set up to give you the Breckenridge lifestyle without any hassle. Life in Breckenridge is all about adventure and connection to the mountains. In the winter, of course, there's world-class skiing and snowboarding that are just minutes away, along with snowshoeing, cross-country trails, and cozy après ski spots in town. Summer brings endless hiking and biking trails, alpine lakes for paddleboarding and fishing, and there's also golf with stunning mountain backdrops. Breckenridge's historic Main Street offers boutique shopping, art galleries, and top-rated dining, while year-round festivals and events keep the community vibrant. Whether you're chasing powder days, tackling a 14er like Quandary Peak, or enjoying live music under the stars, Breckenridge delivers a lifestyle where every season brings something new to explore. If you're looking for a Breckenridge mountain home that's spacious, updated, and move-in ready, just minutes from world-class skiing and hiking, 513 Rena Rd is the one. Contact me today to schedule your private showing or type buyer guide in the comments below for your free vacation home buyer's guide. And if you've enjoyed this tour, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell so you don't miss more Breckenridge property tours.